All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, these 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're talking about BNB Crops Farmers. Yeah, it just launched today. It's been less than 24 hours. These crop farmers are doing fantastic. I'm going to go to a deep dive, tell you what I put in, what it's making me already per day, the whole 9 yards, the rules, the regulations, how the whole thing works. Then I'm also going to just do a little minute on the BUSD farmers that I want to show you something about my cart getting full, because that's a good feature of the program. And then USDC farmers, I'm going to go there for a minute to show you what happened the other day. So all kinds of good stuff. Now on this channel, we talk about the coins, but I've been talking about these crypto projects because, again, a lot of people are looking for ways not to just buy the coin and let it sit there and hope it goes to the moon. I mean, that's a real good strategy. Buy the coin and just hope it goes to the moon. Good luck with that. Okay, these crypto projects, some of them win, some of them lose. But the thing is if you do your research and you do your homework, you can maybe find a couple golden gooses or golden gems in the whole entire thing. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day get in a project or even own some cryptocurrency. Let's head over to the newest of all the crop farmers, BNB Crop Farmers. All right, here we are at the website. Welcome to BNB Crop Farmers, a smart and sustainable way to grow your BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, there's already 2368 in this contract. Now, I'm going to show you that you're not late at all. 2368 times, I think BNB is $404. So there's already almost $1 million in this contract. Now, that's fantastic, but in the BUSD, there's already 1.25 million. So this is not stopping anytime soon. They've actually lowered the rewards slightly. The other one was at 8%. This is for the sustainability. Here we go. This is the first time we're talking about that, so this is going to be a deep dive. 6% daily, 2190 APR. 2% compound bonus. The other ones were 2.5%. I don't mind that they trim it because, again, they're trying to make this last long. 7% referrals, 12% compound timer, just like the other one. 4% with cooldown period, just like the other one. 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff. Look at that word cutoff. I'm actually going to blow this up because this is one of the important things. If you're not involved with your miner, it's going to stop It's going to stop earning rewards. Once your card is full, if you forget for a day or forget for 2 days or forget for 3 days, it's actually strong for the contract because we're not going to keep giving the rewards out. You have to be interacting with the contract. If you're not a person who's going to be looking at your stuff and clicking buttons, then definitely don't do this project. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm documenting my journey on crypto, so in 2 years from now, when I have all this cryptocurrency, I can look back and say, man, you know what? That Ruby mine was fantastic. The USDC Crop Farmers was fantastic. So again, do your own homework. A 10-time mandatory compound feature. Yeah, look at this. 80% tax if you claim your money too early. So for all those whales out there that thinks they're going to just claim, ain't going to happen. You got $100 there and you claim it, you're only getting 20 of it. Where's the 80% go? Boom, back in the contract. The strength in the contract. I love it. All right, anti-bot launch. Important. We believe that helping people on this planet that live below the breadline is important, and we need to play a part. CryptoPhil has started a campaign to donate 1 day per month, including in those in need. We salute Phil for this, and we'll be donating 0.3% of the TVL for this cause. The following CryptoPhil on YouTube to see the funds in action, and you'll see what it can happen. Here's a video and how the charity fund will work. Hey, pretty cool. People are doing nice things. All right, so look at this. Again, there's almost $1 million in this. Right here, you got all the crop farmers right here. Look at the little butterflies. They're happy too. So what did I put in today? I went a little bit bigger. He talks about doing a hand of blackjack or a coffee. Do what you're comfortable with. I actually started with $250 on BUSD. Then I did $500 in USDC. Look at that, I doubled it. And then this one I doubled again. I'm so happy with these projects that now I'm actually doing more. So, but again, you have to be willing to lose it all in case if something happens, because this is crypto, everybody. It could be gone in a second, just like that. All right, so I got 6116 farmers. Take a look at this. It shows you what I put in. So let's do a little calculation. Here's the calculator. So I think BNB is $404 times 2.75 equals, yeah, it was a good number too when I figured this out too, 1111. So that's what I put in. Okay, and right here, it's already earned me 0.14, but hasn't even been a day. Estimated daily, below this up, so you can see, yep, 0.365. What's this bad boy making me per day already? I mean, again, you got to do your features, and you got to do your compound, you got to do it right. If a BNB is 404, and it's making me 0.365, this bad boy is making me 147 bucks a day. Really liking this, farmer. I like it, I like it. Now, again, there's 80% tax. I can't even hire any farmers here until I get to, what do I got? I got a little bit more time. Right here. Until I can hire my next farmers, 2 hours and 25 minutes. So notice that this is locked up. I can't click it. So, okay, no problem. I can't sell a crop right now. Well, maybe I can, but I wouldn't, because I don't want to get charged 80% tax. That's, again, to help people not beat the system. Here's that every time you compound without withdrawing, your compound bonus will grow 2% to the maximum 20%. Withdrawals will reset the bonus at 0. I'll put my link in the bottom. Again, I take the time to research this, to bring it to the channel. If you feel I do a good job, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the link. Check it out yourself if you like it. Look at, what do they say the minimum is? The minimum is 0.1 BNB, which I'm going to do real quick. It's 40 bucks. So you can put your 40 bucks in. And the maximum is 25 BNB. Let's figure that out. 25 times 404. So you could put up to $10,000 in this. Can't go 20 or 30,000. So since it's the first time we're doing this, yep, we're gonna basically talk about a couple things. What is BNB Crop Farmers? The BNB Crop Farmers is a decentralized application built on the Binance Smart Chain. The objective of the game is to hire farmers sooner, more often than other farmers. This in turn earns you more BNB. These farmers work for you tirelessly, giving you a daily average of 6% for your farmer value. The daily percentage return depends on the farmer's actions are taken with the platform that impact the farmer's efficiency rate. The farmer's efficiency rate raises and falls by the users buying the farmers, rehiring the farmers, and selling your crops. Once you have bought the farmers, the farmers cannot be sold. The investment made to rehire them can't be sold either, and you can't be taken back. But however, once they are bought, the farmers will not stop producing yield. Pretty awesome there. Now, let's jump over to USDC farmers. All right, over here at USDC Crop Farmers, look, these again, USDC is pegged to $1. So there's $424,000 in this contract. This one pays a little bit more, 8%. I remember I was telling you that. The referral. So on the next one that we're talking about, they trimmed a couple things. But here's the point I wanted to show you. Look, I did my first claim yesterday. I sold my first claim. I got $110 back. Look, I put a whole $500 in. That's roughly over 20%. I've been in this for less than a week. In less than a week, I've already got 20% of the money back. I think that's fantastic. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Looking at this, I can basically hire more farmers right now. Let's go ahead and do it. So look at, I got $19 right there. This $19 is going to go right up here. I'm making $51 a day right this second. And that other one, I'm making $146 a day. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Let's go ahead. Now notice up here, the $46.92 is going to go up. Hiring the farmers. Here we go again. Let's get some more farmers. They work tireless. When I'm sleeping, they're doing the crops. All right, here we go. We're buying some farmers. Recompounding it. Doing the way we're supposed to. All right, so as it goes around and around, I'm going to get a 9% bonus here for doing this. This $19 is going to go up there to the $840. Takes a little bit of second, you know, it kind of, boom, it's gone. The $840 is now $861. couple things. Now the 12-hour compounding thing has started again. So again, this is why I go over to these different things to show you. And right now my cart won't be full till 47 hours and 59 minutes. Jumping over to the BUSD farmers. All right, some big things here. Look at $1.25 million. BUSD is pegged to $1 also. The same thing, 8%, 8, all that good stuff. But here's what I wanted to show you. When I did the first one, do what's comfortable for you. I put a whole $250 in it, or I should say 250 BUSD in this. I made a few claims here, I think 2, and I've got $112 back. So that's about half, 125. Now take a look right here. In 14 hours, I can actually hire more farmers and get 15%. I can harvest the crop and get 80%. Okay, there's an 80% tax. My cart will be full right here in 14 hours. So let's go ahead and try to hire some farmers. I'm going to put this back into the program and get that 15% bonus. How do you like me now, bonus? I love the bonuses. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get a bonus. Bonus on the avenue. 2 more days and we'll be through. Using my little ledger. Alright, so take a look at this. My $95 right here, this $95 is going to go right up here to this 840 here in a second. So we're compounding in, we're getting that bonus, and we're going to lock another compound in there. So here we go. Boom, 957. So I started with $250 and there's 957. So now the tax is still there. I got 12 more hours before I can compound. I've compounded 6 times. I got to get to 10. But the key thing is the next time I claim this bad boy, I'm going to probably be at $250 and I'll already be free rolling. Free rolling on the BUSD. So I just wanted to share that with you. Going back over here. So again, this one, remember they trimmed it a little bit to make the sustainability. I just like it that after so long, I'm going to basically break even. Again, all my information for educational purposes only. You deposit as much as you want, up to 25 BNB. Frequently asked questions. What makes this different than similar platforms? How does the platform work? And what is the recommended strategy? I'm going to go over that one. The best strategy is the team can recommend is to rehire compound for 6 days and harvest for 1 a week. This will increase the user's investments at the same time of increasing the daily yield. This strategy has already been tried and tested by several projects and has proven effective both for the short and long term of the project. All right, everybody. So like it says, welcome to BNB Crop Farmers. I like them all. The first one I put 250 in. Second one I put 500 in. This one I put 1111 in. So which one do I like the most? I like them all. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click over here. I'm going to list a link of USDC video. Click over here. I'm going to list a BUSD video. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. A different flavor. Talking about the coins all the time. Now we're going to be talking about the coins and crypto projects. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic Friday.